Desktop machines for starting home-based business. What if the next money-making business could fit right on your desk? No warehouse, no employees, no huge investment. In 2026, people are quietly building real income from home using small desktop machines that most people don't even know exist. So today, we're counting down 16 powerful desktop machines you can use to start a home-based business. And trust me, the last one is a game changer. Let's begin. Number 16, OOV Flatbed Printer. This machine doesn't just print designs, it prints opportunity. A OOV flatbed printer can print full-color images directly onto wood, acrylic, glass, metal, phone cases, and more. There's no drying time, no lamination, and no extra steps. You simply place the item, upload your design, press print, and the ink instantly cures under UV light. Small businesses use this machine to create eye-catching signage, personalized gifts, branded merchandise, and promotional products that customers happily pay premium prices for. Number 15, Desktop Pick and Place Machine. This is where modern electronics are born. Instead of soldering, this machine automatically places microchips, LEDs, and components onto circuit boards with precision. After that, boards go through a reflow oven to lock everything in place. It's ideal for custom electronics, prototyping, and small batch production. If tech excites you, this machine opens serious doors. Number 14, Heat Press Machine. This machine turns plain items into custom products people actually buy. A heat press machine transfers designs onto t-shirts, hoodies, caps, tote bags, and even mugs in seconds. Just place the item, position the design, pull the handle, and the print locks in with professional quality. Small brands, influencers, schools, and event organizers constantly need custom apparel and merch. Number 13, Desktop CNC Milling Machine. Metalwork, without renting a workshop. This compact CNC mill cuts metal, wood, plastic, and composites right from your garage. It's used to create housings, custom parts, and precision components. Clients are everywhere: Etsy, Upwork, maker communities. If you can make what others can't, they'll pay you for it. Number 12, Manual Injection Molding Machine. Old school manufacturing still makes serious money. This machine melts plastic and injects it into molds to create small parts. The real magic? One mold can be reused hundreds of times, making each unit cheaper and cheaper. Perfect for product creators who want control without factory costs. Number 11, Labeling Machine. You don't always need to make the product. Buy unbranded items like soap, coffee, or bath salts. Add your own label, branding, and story. Suddenly, you're not reselling, you're a brand. Thousands of businesses run on this exact model. Number 10, Perfume Crimping and Bottling Setup. Launching a perfume brand without creating the scent? Yes. Buy ready-made fragrance blends. Bottle them. Crimp the spray head. Add your label. Luxury margins. Small setup. This niche is quiet, but extremely profitable. Number 9, Ribbon Printing Machine. Tiny machine. Massive demand. Florists, weddings, gift shops, everyone wants custom ribbons. Names, dates, logos, messages. Material costs are cents. Selling price? Dollars per foot. Fast turnaround means repeat clients. Number 8, Paper Folding Machine. Printing isn't the problem, folding is. This machine folds hundreds of brochures, menus, and flyers in minutes. Restaurants, travel agencies, and small businesses need this constantly. It's boring, but boring businesses often make the most money. Number 7, Ceramic 3D Printer. Imagine art and technology combined. That's what this machine delivers. It extrudes clay layer by layer, building cups, vases, sculptures, and decorative pieces with precision and consistency. No messy hand molding, no guesswork. Just upload your design, press start, and watch it come to life. After the printed piece dries and is fired in a kiln, it transforms into a finished ceramic product ready to sell. Prices range from $30 to $100 per item, depending on complexity and design. Artists, hobbyists, and small business owners are turning creativity into profit, selling custom designs on Etsy, Instagram, and local markets. With low material costs and high resale value, this machine turns your artistic ideas into a steady income stream, all from your desk. Number 6, Ring Engraving Machine. Small in size, but huge in impact, this machine turns ordinary rings into personalized treasures. It engraves names, dates, symbols, or short messages directly inside rings, creating deep, permanent, and high-quality cuts that last a lifetime. Perfect for weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, or special gifts, people are willing to pay $20 to $50 per engraving, while your material cost is almost zero. The machine automatically aligns the text and handles curved surfaces, making it fast, precise, and professional. You can run this as a microservice locally, partner with jewelers, pawn shops, or gift stores, or even offer custom engraving online. With steady demand and high profit margins, it's a compact way to turn a small investment into a consistent income stream. Number 5. Phone Case Heat Transfer Machine. Every phone needs a case, but plain designs don't sell. People want style, personality, and uniqueness. This machine lets you press custom designs directly onto phone cases using heat and pressure, creating bright, durable, and professional-looking products every time. The cost per unit is low, but the resale value can be 10 to 20 times higher, making it a high-margin business. Trendy designs, memes, quotes, or themed collections keep buyers coming back for more, giving you repeat sales without extra effort. You can sell online through Etsy, Instagram, or your own store, or partner with local shops and phone accessory stores. Seasonal trends and fandoms give endless opportunities. From holidays to movie releases, every new craze is a chance to profit. Number 4. Laser Engraver. You're not just making products, you're turning ordinary items into personalized treasures. Grab inexpensive blanks like keychains, wallets, lighters, or notebooks, and use the laser engraver to add names, quotes, logos, or custom designs. Suddenly, a simple item becomes a premium gift people are willing to pay for. Perfect for custom orders, event favors, or small online shops, this machine lets you add high value with minimal cost and build a steady income from personalization. With this tool, you can target holidays, weddings, and corporate gifts, where personalized items sell like hotcakes. You can also scale by creating sets or bundles, offering exclusive designs, or even selling on Etsy, Instagram, or local markets. Every engraved item tells a story, and that's what people pay for. Number 3. Semi-automatic liquid filling machine. Filling jars and bottles by hand is slow, messy, and eats into your profits. This semi-automatic machine solves that by dispensing exact amounts of honey, creams, oils, or sauces every time. Clean, fast, and professional. Small producers need precise packaging, but can't afford big industrial machines. That's where you step in. Offer filling as a service, partner with local artisans, bakers, or skincare creators, and turn this simple machine into a steady income stream. Compact, easy to use, and high in demand, it's a smart way to make money without a huge setup. Number 2. Laser Engraving Machine. Big factories move slow, this machine moves fast. A laser engraving machine lets you personalize products one by one, exactly how customers want them. Names, logos, QR codes, artwork, burned cleanly into wood, leather, metal, glass, and acrylic within minutes. This is why it wins in 2026. People want custom, not mass-produced. You can create engraved gifts, branded items, awards, and decor with almost zero waste. One small order can turn into repeat business, and one viral design can fuel sales for months. It's flexible, precise, and built for modern demand. Number 1. Ice cream machine. This is the happiest business on the list and one of the most reliable. An ice cream machine turns simple ingredients into fresh, creamy soft serve in just minutes. Set it up at parks, events, pop-up stalls, or busy streets, and customers line up without needing convincing. Ice cream sells on emotion. Kids want it. Adults crave it. Everyone stops for it. With low ingredient costs and high daily volume, even small sales add up fast. One good location can generate steady income all summer long, and busy weekends can outperform entire weeks of online selling. This machine proves that sometimes the simplest product creates the strongest profits, smiles included. You don't need a factory. You don't need employees. You don't even need a big budget. You just need the right machine and the courage to start. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and press the bell button so you don't miss future ideas. Comment below and tell me, which machine would you start with?